Welcome back to my happy place. Today I'm going to show you how I make my smoothie from the garden. I've been trying to do this smoothie every other day, and I actually have that written down as a goal to have this every other day. So I've always, tried to be healthy, but I'm kind of kicking it into high gear right now. And that's because I finally went to the dermatologist and found out that I did have some skin cancer on my nose. And I knew something was up, so I went in, and I'm really glad that I did. And my goal now is, of course, I'm going to go, have it taken care of at the doctor, but also to heal my body from the inside. And I think this is just such a great way to do it. And I know for a fact that this is healthy. So either way, it's going to be a win. So I'm picking some greens from my garden, and this is just a bunch of kale that I have. I put a bunch of microgreen seeds down, and I've been steadily harvesting from them every day. It's amazing how much you get from just a little bit. And these will grow all winter here because the kale likes the cold. So this just brings me so much joy to go out and get these things from my garden and then put them in my body. I know that there are no chemicals. I am just so happy about that. So here I am putting them into my cup. I have a clove of garlic crushed, some frozen cherries, frozen banana and strawberries, and a piece of a red beet. It's going to turn it really red. And some fresh citrus. Whenever I have it, I put that in. I'm going to put a little bit of my daughter's juice today because I didn't have any other juices to put in there. And that's just a little green juice. I'm going to put some more greens in, I think, right here. Yep. So I do take the stem off, but it grinds it up so good. I have a Ninja, awesome blender, and then I'm also going to put some kombucha just for some liquid and a little flavor. And it's actually a homemade kombucha in a reused jug. And some flax seeds. Because someone, I think it was Steve from Steve's Growing Space, said that, you want to have some fat when you're consuming these fat-soluble vitamins like greens. So the flax seeds have omega-3s. They blend up really good. I could just put a little bit of oil in here, but I don't know. I'm kind of weird about that. That's really all that's going in here. There's some ginger, more greens are going in, and flax seeds, water, a little bit of ice if needed. Sometimes I don't need it because I have all that frozen fruit. And then I'm just going to blend it up in the Ninja, and no blender can compare to this one. So I linked it below if you want to gift yourself that for Christmas. There's an affiliate Amazon link down there. Mine was given to me by a friend, so it was amazing. I've had it for like 5 years now, and it has a couple different size cups, and it blends everything amazing. And looks super red today because there are beets in it, and I love that. It gives it a great color instead of being green. Add something to your life every day that makes you feel like, wow, I am making an effort to heal my body and feel good and just nourish your body, So thank you so much for joining me today with the smoothie recipe, and I'll put the ingredients down below in the description box. Have a great day, everybody.